Hello there. This is an updated review of my newly improved $298 computer system that I just custom built myself. This is the motherboard. It is a military class 4 MSI build, top quality stability, MIL's STD 810G certified components. It's got humidity protection, high temperature protection, and it's got electrostatic discharge protection and electromagnetic impulse protection, as well as it has support for the latest AMD APU technology for the APUs, processors, and stuff. It's got the A series motherboard, A78 chipset, and on the back, it's got all the features right there. Don't want to go too much into it. It's got OCGNE Command Center 4K ultra high definition support. It's got HDMI ports on the back. It's very powerful. That's just the motherboard. This is the processor that I bought at Memory Express as well. It's an AMD A-Series accelerated processing unit, multi-core GPU with discrete GPU technology. And it runs my computer's graphics and processing capabilities as well. It runs an A6 7400K AMD APU with Radeon R5 graphics, 3.9 GHz max turbo, 1 MB L3 cache, and it actually runs a turbo boost of 4.2 GHz. This is what it's inside. It's got the USB 3s on the front, and the headphone and microphone jacks, the DVD burner that I intend to upgrade to Blu-ray, Cooler Master case, and then here's the graphics card. It requires 2 supplementary power connectors, one for 6-pin PCI Express, and the other is an 8-pin PCI Express power connector. And inside there is the APU underneath this heatsink and everything else, and 2 HyperX 8 GB RAM modules, enabling access up to 16 gigs of DDR3 Hyper RAM. I've got 4 hard drives with 1 SSD in here. That's what that thing is keeping on. And then I've got a couple of 320 gigs. I've got 1 terabyte right here that I have split up a little bit. Cooling fans on the front, top, and the back here as well. With the inside here as it looks like. They lit up blue. They're Cooler Master. And in here there is the 780 watt power supply unit. It is very powerful. I got it for free from a friend. This is a look at the back. This is the HDMI onboard graphics, all the DVI components, USB 3s, Gigabit Ethernet LAN, my NVIDIA GeForce GTX 760 graphics card, modem and USBs, and power button on the back, and there's a fan griddle here. And it is a very powerful computer. I got it at Memory Express for quite the deal. It was just under $300. And it is an amazing PC. I love it a lot. It's my dream computer. And I'm looking at upgrading even more soon. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and please have a wonderful day. And this has been an ultimate honor to be able to share with you my newly improved computer system that I promised you guys I was going to give you a vlog on. Have a good day.